tonight would be the last night for us to stay with you. As we reach this place still today, I would like to thank all of you for being nice and show some respectfulness to us. So tonight, I would like to share you an encouragement and a few important points that I have always used to practice and still learning till today, and will always be learning till I live. Okay.
Louder.
I write some 5 points, and first point is put God first in everything you do. The Bible says, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you all the desires of your heart. Which means that when you put everything you are in the Lord, when you put your relationship, when you put your feelings, when you take your family and friends to the Lord, or maybe when you submit your plans to the Lord, then the God will give you what is supposed to desire. You do not want to give the things that you desire because our desire is not good, right? But He will give you that is bigger than your plans, the bigger than your dreams. You have always to remember that on Proverbs chapter 19 verses 21, many are the plans in the person's heart, but it is the Lord purpose that prevails. So you must always have to submit your plans in the Lord and trust Him, because all you have in your life is only by the grace of the Lord. So never forget to put Him first in everything you do. And the second point is dream big. Always remember, big dreams have small beginnings. Don't hold yourself back, and always know that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. So try to be a progressor for yourself. Try to be a progressor for your state, for your family, and try to fight difficult exams and never give up on what you really want to do. And you must always know that you are the only one as big as the dreams you dare to live. You always have to remember that no dream is too big and no dreamer is too small. And the third point is work hard. If you want to be success, you need to work really hard. You cannot get anywhere without working hard, without struggle. Successful has no value. There are no secrets to be success. Hope is not a strategy. Luck is not a factor. Fear is not an option, but there is only one option, that is hard working. You must always have to remember working hard is what successful people do and the key to be success. And the third one, I think this is the most important point. Be kind to each other. No matter how educated, how talented, how successful, rich or poor you believe you think you are, but how you treat people ultimately tells us all. With the reason someone believes in the goodness of humanity, Mark Twain once says that kindness is the language which a deaf can hear and the blind can see. So kindness is very important to us. Kindness is also like a virus. When you do good to another, that person does better to those they came into contact with. You really can make a difference in your state, in the world today. I want to tell you what I have always learned, that is, nobody's going to remember what shirt you wear, what makeup you had on, and what jewelry you had, and whether your nails were painted, but they will always remember how you treated them. And that's the biggest lesson in life. It's how you treat people, and that is the legacy you leave behind. And the last point is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself means having faith in your own capabilities. It is a part of building up confidence and falling in love with yourself. People always wanted to see the results, but they won't know how hard you try to encourage yourself. But when no one is around to pat your back on or tell you how great you are, you must always question yourself that will you have enough self-belief to move forward, because that is the hardest part. But on this hardest part, You must always have to believe that you are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I think that's all what I wanted to share with you tonight. I hope you're not getting bored, and I hope you are gaining something. And once again, I want to thank all the students, the teachers, and especially our principals and his family. I want to thank all of you for being kind and to some respectfulness to us as we had arrived this place till today. I wish you a very best of luck for your future, and may the Lord bless you. Thank you so much.